Our patented system consists of a wooden connector with pre-drilled holes that accepts a number 6 screw. This wooden connector fits internally inside the wooden panels, creating a complete interlocking system. Our small pre-drilled holes in the side of our uprights have been designed to accommodate all of our hardware, from closet rods to European hinges to a high-end drawer slides and our connectors that accommodate our shelving. To install the system onto the wall, first of all draw a vertical line. Then proceed by marking where the connectors are going to be installed. With the connector, mark where the holes are to be drilled. Drill the holes. Insert the plugs. Secure the plugs into place. Screw the connectors into the plugs. Lining the panels up with the connectors, drop the panels onto the connectors and slide the panels down. To mark where the second panel should be installed, using the shelf, line it up with the top of the first upright, place a connector against the shelf, and draw a line. Repeating the first step, slide the panel into place. To install the shelf, take the connector with the screws and place them into the pre-drilled holes at the level that you wish to install the shelf, and then simply screw them into place. The shelf is very solid when installed and leaves no exposed screws or tracks. You can expand a cabinet by adding shelves between a cabinet and the wall or between 2 cabinets. Line up the shelf with the pre-drilled holes in the cabinet and make a mark on the wall. Then mark where the connector is to be installed. Screw the connector into place and slide the shelf onto the connectors. And that's how simple it is to install our system. Used as an entertainment system, you have a place to hide all your cords, in behind the shelves and up through the back corner of the corner shelves to accommodate your speakers and DVDs. In an exercise room, it's nice to have everything at eye level and off the floor. By expanding the system, you can accommodate larger TVs and all of your entertainment units. Our small desk can accommodate books, printer, and a tower. You could install it over heat registers where you normally couldn't put anything. You can save costs by connecting the shelves directly to the corner. All of the wires can be tucked in behind the shelves and up behind the desk. It's amazing how much space you can create in a small area by stacking one unit on top of the other. There's always extra space in the garage to accommodate our system. You can start with a small sports rack and continue to expand the system to accommodate all your needs. It's amazing the amount of space you can create in your shed. By installing them at the right height, you can store things underneath. Closet rods can be placed at whatever height suits your needs. There's no limit to the amount of wine racks you can add to our system. Thank you for your interest in Creative Connectors. Call us anytime. Thank you.